Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, guys. Depending on whichever time of the day that y'all are going to come across this video, I'd like to welcome y'all onto this channel, guys. I don't know where to start. Hey, first thing that I'd just like to say is hashtag justice for Kwekwe. This is currently trending, and yo. So I'm just going to try by all means and summarize the whole thing, Shuthi bathi ingane ihambile esikoleni yabuya late, mayibuya late, it was in the name of ukuthi umalume or the guy who takes the kids to school and back home arrived late, so ingane yasala ke after school. And after school ukuthi kuya nge-transport yedictator ukuthi ubani ohamba kuqala, ubani ozogcina ihamba ekugcineni, ubani ozosala and all of that. Shuthi ke at the ngaleli langa leli ke when all of this happened, singasho kanjalo ukuthi whoever did what they did to ingane just saw an opportunity yokuthi yazini, let's seize this opportunity, ingane sele la iwani. And then ingane kuthiwa ahambe kwathiwa iko-clean amaklasi, next thing ingane ayisakhumbuli ukuthi kwenzekaleni. Already in my mind I just thought ukuthi le ngane idragiwe or something, because ingane ngeke izivele ithi ihambe yoklina, next thing yona ayisakhumbuli ukuthi kwenzekaleni. Khona into abayenzile enganeni ukuthi ingane ngeke izikwazi ukukhumbula, because ingane ziyalikhuluma iqiniso and ziyalikhipha njengoba linjalo. Now shuthi abazali bayo beyi-check ingane, behambisa esibhedlela, mabefika esibhedlela bethola ukuthi no, ingane ihlukumezekile ngokocansi. Then kwahamba ke indaba yakhula lento into eyenzeke last year. Then uprincipal ke wabiza umama wakhona or abazali, wakhuluma nabo wathi ke ubuhlungu lento eyenzekalile, however ucela ukuthi lento kungabi into abazoyidumisa, bengayifafazi le ndaba because of i-reputation yesikole. Mind you, lo muntu mhlawumbe ubaba naye, you understand, unengane naye ezakhe, or mhlawumbe akanathi ingane or whatever the case might be. But what happened and what he even had, or lento ayishilo, unesibindi. Yani uma uthiwa unazo ingane uyabuzwa kubuhlungu obula, uyabuzwa nje ubuhlungu obula. Phezu kwalokho kuthiwa kwahanjiswa ingane esibhedlela, kwathola ama-DNA amasampuli ukuthi ingane ibidlwenguliwe, kwathi makuthola amasampuli then abantu ke manje sebeyasetshwa. The principal does not want this thing to be furthered or ukuthi ifafaze because of i-reputation yesikolo. Now my question is, if wena uyindoda eqotho and umuntu wesilisa, njengoba abantu besilisa always be like bona bangamadoda or bangamadoda aqotho, why wena and futhi umzali, if umzali or if ungaswena umzali but umuntu ophilile kahle ekhanda, ocabangayo and omdala, ke kuthiwa indlela soyibuza kwabantu abaphambili, but mina ngiworried manje ngoba nalabo abaphambili ngathi sefanele bezobuza thina noma sonke sizoqemzana ngamakhanda size sifike la siyakhona or size siyoweleliweni. My thing is that if you are innocent and you want to prove ukuthi you are innocent, why would you refuse ukuhambisa i-DNA sample yakho? If futhi worried nge-reputation yesikolo, of which they say that now allegedly the school has been shut down, why will you not try by all means to work with abantu bomthetho? Regardless, ngaphandle ukuthi wena sofawela nde ama-lawyer or umelwe i-AfriForum nanokunye, everyone who is within i-AfriForum, because I'll just say this allegedly, nilima. Ungajoin i-AfriForum unengane umzali le representa abantu aba-allegedly ama-suspects, and futhi bangama-suspect benjalo nje bafuna ukuthi lento iswiphe underneath the rug. Wena ma uyibheka, do you think nawe uyaphila nje kahle ekhanda? Why if wena innocent ungeke uzufuna ukuhambisa le sample? Why if wena innocent and wari ke reputation esikolo sakho ungafuna uhambisa le sample ukuze uprove ukuthi wena innocent, you did not do anything, and wenze sure ukuthi if it happens with you hired umuntu lapha esikoleni sakho oyi perpetrator kanje, lo muntu is sent behind bars. Why? Yes, it will definitely affect the school, but whether to also have a clear conscience and to also show ubuntu bakho and to also show ukuthi wena umzali, if umzali, why wouldn't you do that? Why wouldn't you want to do that? Indaba ye-AfriForum leyo nje, to hell with that. To hell with that. I don't even want to dwell too much because iyangibora. Mina, if I was a member of AfriForum and all of that, I'm telling you Mustru, ngabe ngiyayeka manje. Ngabe ngiyayeka ubhatala leyo mali if usibhatala imali or whatever it is lesibhatalayo eveza ukuthi singama members AfriForum. Ngabe ngigela out now. Mina eka. Abanye bazoqhubeka behlala. Why? Le ndaba affect ayenzekanga kubona. Yo, ibhlungu lento yenzakalile bafethu mina ngifuqa ngalamanga. And I saw even another video on TikTok of another lady who was also coming forward and saying ukuthi if the roles were different, in a sense ukuthi the principal was black and the child was white, this would have went down very a different path. This was not going to principal lento bengeke izilasta kuze kufele isikhathi samanje, because they say that allegedly this is something that happened last year in October. Ngabe ngathi qediwe futhi le ndaba le, ngabe futhi idume immediately when it happened. Truth be told, guys, internet yes is bad, but it's bad and good. Because now I do feel like if it wasn't for the internet, this would have not gotten the attraction that it has gotten now. It would have not. Hey bafethu anamahloni nihlwengula ingane nina nihlwengula ingane. Yo, angigcini nje kuphela ngokudlwengula ingane futhi ngiphinde nilala ngaso, anifaka ngamakhondom ingane zizogula. Eningiyazi nina ni stupid. Khona uzobe se-stupid la ethi manje kungcono bangabantu abadala. Mina ngifuna uku-accuse nombhedo umbhedo ngu-entertain. And yes, ulalwe ngengane, umuntu ufuna ukugulisa ingane, ufuna ukugulisa physically, mentally, konke nje nifuna nje ukubhubhisa bafethu. Hey, khani wrong guys, ayini wrong bafethu. Ayini wrong kakhulu. Yazi ngize ngikhumbule enye movie engangayibuka, omunye ubaba who is a respectable man on that movie, naye wenza into okuhlukumeza abantu besifazane ngokocansi. Wathi lo ebemtholile egcineni, wathi mayifonela umndeni wakhe and all of that, waba buhlungu lo baba ukuthi umndeni wakhe usuzowazi ukuthi yena wenzani. Waba buhlungu lo baba ukuthi nomndeni wakhe bayafuna ukwenza the same thing awenze enganeni. Abanye abantu banjalo, enye into i-wrong mayenzeka kubo, i-right kodwa mayenzeka kwabanye abantu. Hey, cha ibhlungu ke lento. And kathi thina sinengane ke, sinazi ingane, sinabo sisi, futhi not all of that, just that ke, noma ngathiwa sinazi ingane asinabo sisi, because mina it's just my siblings. I would never even wish that on anyone's child or anyone for that matter. Most of the time, yes, it is said ukuthi hayi indlela abantu besifazana abagqoka ngayo and all of that about nah kids. Nangas. Into engibhora about this whole thing is that the school being shut down is not enough, because the same guy, if it is the principal who did this or whoever is in the school who did this, has gotten away with murder, has gotten away with that, with a crime, or even if it means ukuthi, even if kuguti they did not get away with it, but that person can still go and apply kwesinye isikolo and still aqhubeke ngendlela zakhe, still aqhubeke ngendlela zakhe, still aqhubeke enze lezi zinto lezi ebezenza kwasekuqaleni, because uyakuthi as umuntu into once waqala wayenza regardless ukuthi inhle noma imbi, and kwawukuthi uthola ipleasure kuyo leyo nto leyo, uzolokhu uqhubeka uyenza. And that's how at the end of the day you end up with people who are addicted to certain things. Because you start kuyenza kancane usaba, but because of pleasure ulokhu risk up until you get to a point ukuthi soku right for wena, soku normal, so nje u freedom part. Yeah. Guys, I'm also going to leave a link good description column for the petition. Nami ngifukuyenza manje ngiyosayina yeah kumele aboshwe. And ke mayise boshiwe this principal wafika ejele, yo there was umgoba yona and bengamyeki, yo bengamyeki. And then there's this video ngiyibonile. Mawubuka le video, make sure you check. Shuthi uVusinova was live. Maye live ubheke ama comments of what people were saying. And then there's a person who goes by the name of Umoli. Check out this video and also listen to what uVusinova is saying. And also check nje demeanor yakhe based on this justice for Cwecwe. And then we'll talk.
I'm here now for a different reason. Do not, Molly. Ne? Emotionally, mean, please. Like that, yes, that situation is very sensitive, and I've addressed it. Don't come here on this platform. Pull me up right now. If you're gonna come with that attitude and energy, please don't come with negativity here. Don't. I just said now I'd like to go out and have fun. Don't come here with negative energy as a belief, please. Yeah.
Mina personally, I feel like uVusinova should have just, if kuguti this hashtag justice for Cwecwe, he was akafuna ukuyizwa or iyambora, or that people keep on mentioning it kwi live yakhe or kuma post wakhe or whatever, I feel like if Leo Diwimbor, he was just not supposed to say anything. He was just supposed to log off live and go and have fun, as he was saying ukuthi ulentuzana was ruining ilanga lakhe with the negative energy. The problem, I feel like this is negative energy because I hlupwe. It does not bother you. I think it's not close to home. Whereas I feel like if this affected him directly, he would have not said that. I'll say allegedly. He would have not said that. But because lento yena I'm affected and usekhulumile ngayo, usedlulile ngayo, ufuke izwisa. I feel like this does leave, I'm not a fan of uVusinova. Oh well. But this does leave a bad taste, or it will leave a bad taste in people's mouths. Wrong naye. Yes, ukhulumile and all of that. Angifuna ukuyovula mina ngibheke. Ngibhore nje reaction yakhe la. If bekukuthi he was reprimanding Umoli about writing justice for Cwecwe, because Umoli kept on writing that, and then uVusinova was like, you are ruining my day. Ukame with the negative energy. Kanjani manje? Kanjani? The whole purpose of this thing is to spread awareness bafethu manje. with people having to mention or to use the hashtag justice for Xoli is to spread ilentuzana to make people to be aware nanokuthi le igcine sikwazi ukuthola le attraction esikwazi ukuthola nanokuthi igcine amaphoyisa nayo ekwazi ukuthatha iaction fast. If wena bewukuthi yakubhora wena kufanele nje ulog off live and not say anything. Yeah, you're just supposed to do that. But for you to having to say ukuthi leto le affects energy yakho, should it yes uplift ama spirits, yes uplift ama spirits. Hayi kahle. Nina guys enye into fana phucwa ama phone. Abanye nje wena fana phucwa ama phone. Cha mina ngibhorile ke shem ukuthi azosho njalo. I just got bored because into engibhorayo ukuthi if he was in her parents shoes, ebengazayisho lonto, ebengekazayisho leyo nto. Or if kukuthi uyabona ukuthi umola uyahlupha avele hamba emblock aqhubeke ngelive yakhe. Yona toxic. Now no Somizi allegedly I saw another video kuthiwa uthi ufuna ukunceda ifamily yaCwecwe and all of that. That is good. I don't want to lie to you. But in the same breath it's also kind of ironic ukuthi you want to go and help abanye abantu but allegedly you are not or you were not able to help your child. No. Nina irony. Guys, ngizokhuluma nami umphetho bese bayangisuka guys. Everything ekule video ngizothi allegedly principally if he is the one who did this, I pray ukuthi uyaboshwa and the fact nje nanokuresista yonke lento yakhe nale AfriForum guys, if you are within AfriForum you are useless, you are a piece of shit, you are a piece of nothing allegedly, and how you have a nerve of doing that. And inhlanzi ngelinye ilanga yoshelwa amanzi. Now you're fit to go.